How to remove data no longer needed in Mobile Legends. Here's how. To begin with, click on the settings icon located at the top right corner. Then look towards the bottom of the settings menu and select Network Test. From here, click on Clear Cache, which you will find on the left side of the screen. After that, hit the Clean button at the bottom to remove the cache data and confirm your action when prompted. Next, go back to the settings once again and tap on Network Test just like before. This time select Clear Redundancy. When the option appears, click on Scan and Clear at the bottom. Finally, once the process is done, your game will be free of unnecessary data, which can help improve performance. And that's it. I hope this video helped.